Hi guys, it's Caleb Harsby and it's a very quick video. I just want to give a shout out to Dean Vissers, and he's actually Leah Vissers' brother. And I just want to say, go subscribe to him because he just released his channel. See, he just uploaded his first video, and it's all about Legos. This is an all about Legos channel. It's a really good channel, so you should definitely go subscribe to him.